To list primary and additional domains for grading SOE. Systematic review process overview. To prepare topic, search for select studies for inclusion, extract data from studies, analysis and synthesize studies, report systematic review. Why grade stand of evidence? To facilitate use of systematic review by diverse decision makers and stakeholders. To give decision makers to foster transparency and documentation. Grading stand of evidence is distinct from rating the quality of individual studies, is generally used only to assess for required domains consistency score. Only 3 possible score for consistency. Meta-analysis. First one is consistency, second inconsistency, and third one unknown or not applicable. For required domains, consistency defined as the degree of similarity in the effect size of difference study within an evidence base. For required domains, risk of bias to concern both study design and study conduct for individual studies rated by usual method. Risk of bias score. S is the aggregate quality of study within each major study design and integrates those assessment into a overall risk of bias score. 3-step grading state of evidence. The first one is scoring for required domains, second one is considering and possibly scoring for additional domains, and third one in combining a score for required domain into single strength of evidence score, taking a score on additional domains into account as needed. For required domains, aspect of indirectness, the intermediate or surrogate outcome instead of health of patient-centered outcome. Indirect comparison rather than direct head-to-head comparison. For required domains, directness, to define as whether the evidence being assessed. If multiple links are involved, strength of evidence can be only as strong as the weakest link. Using analytic framework is important.